What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a little board setup. I'm going to be swapping out this deck. Finally, I've been skating this for like, I'd say a good 4 or 5 months. I'm really surprised I didn't snap it. And while I set up the board, I'm going to be answering some Q&A questions that I got submitted to me through Instagram. If you're not already following me, go check it out. So in the future, if I do another Q&A, you guys can have the, ability to get your questions in the video. All right, let's get into some of these questions. So we got Album of the Year for 2021. I feel like anyone only ever talks about like Donda and Certified Lover Boy when they talk about 2021 albums, which makes sense. I mean, they are like probably the 2 biggest albums that dropped this year. They are definitely not the best, especially compared to a lot of other albums. I really thought Punk by Young Thug was my favorite album, but it wasn't as good as I expected it to be. For my album of the year of 2021, I'm gonna go with T-Lot 5. That was a really solid album. And either like, if I had to pick 2 other ones, it'd probably be like Cash Dami's album, Hypernova, or what's it called? D Savage's album, BPL. They're both really solid. Will any other Cardi Project top Whole Lotta Red? See, Cardi really experimented with Whole Lotta Red. Like, it doesn't sound anything like Dial-It. I guess maybe Place does, maybe Sky. I really want to compare it to like Kanye's project Yeezus, because it's so experimental. You know, the beat selection, the vocals he used, like he was screaming. Will I think he will top it? The direction he's going in so far, from going from self-titled to Dial-It to Whole Lotta Red, he's easily just going up and up, getting better and better. So honestly, I do see him in the future being able to top Whole Lotta Red. So this deck is done. Shout out my boy Sal at 8th Wonder. Give me a 1-on-1 family deck. This thing's dope. This was a great board. So this is the board we're going to be setting up today. It's a crooked 8.5. Here's the part you guys were all waiting for. I know when you click this video is just the most satisfying slice ever. From Becca, we have Can I Be in the Video? See, it's not that you can't be in the video. Nice little crooked sticker we got. It's not that you can't be in the video, it's just that it's kind of unnecessary. It's a little solo video. But in the future, Becca, yes, you can be in a video. Got some mob grip we're gonna be setting this up with, if you guys were curious. Oh, look at that freaking crease. Oh my God, what the? It's like not even stuck on the paper anymore. Top 5 albums of all time. Gonna have to go with my favorite album of all time being A Love Letter D3 by Trippie Redd. My second favorite album of all time is definitely Man on the Moon, like the first Man on the Moon by Kid Cudi. Number 3, probably So Much Fun by Young Thug. I want to say Barter 6, but So Much Fun has more songs, and that almost makes you like the album more because there's just more to listen to, And every song is a banger. There's literally no miss on So Much Fun. Number 4, I'm gonna have to go American Beauty by Grateful Dead. There's just literally so many good tracks on there. From Box of Rain to Sugar Magnolia. Beautiful selection of songs. For number 5, I'm gonna go with Best Day Ever by Mac Miller. Get the call.
Wait, kid.
Yeah, kid.
I'm off the grid. Hey.
Say what's good in the video.
Hey, I'm in one.
Yeah, this kid's favorite song off Whole Lotta Red is Sky.
Oh my God.
Actually, I am gonna cut this because this is fucked. It's literally just like a... Yeah, it's gonna bubble up too. Now, take our deck. We're gonna put this on the edge so it literally will just come off. Are you excited to lose your virginity? I've never had sex with a woman before. So, you never know what it's gonna entail. How it's gonna go. How's it gonna smell? Pretty clean cut so far. Let me not speak too soon. If anyone a tip on how to like cut grip tape, you just want to go at an angle and just glide. I always cut at myself. I know that's not like what you should do in any circumstance with a knife or a sharp edge, but it works so much better than going the opposite way. Want to kiss? Yes, Daniel, I would love to kiss. Just set up a date and I'm there. How we do? Looks pretty solid if you ask me.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked
Did I
up.
put the fucking line on the wrong side? I can already see this coming up. And if I do ollies, it's just gonna flick up. So that's kind of an L. Top 1 609 plugs of all time. I'm gonna have to go with Finito. We actually kind of fixed it. It really just depends if this grip tape comes up, if I'm gonna have to get new grip tape or not. Top 5 artists of all time. I'm gonna have to go with, if we're doing, so this, I guess this just includes bands because those are multiple artists. Trippy, Kid Cudi, Young Thug, Kura. That name probably sounds unfamiliar to you guys. He's an underground rapper that I've been supporting for a while now. I think he's really got some talent, and I think he's gonna be really big. His flow is nuts. I know you guys probably want to see some pranks, which I'm thinking about doing one soon, but I don't know. Pranks just don't, like, they're just not as, like, interesting as they used to be to me. Like, I don't really, unless it's, like, a really good idea, which I do have some pretty good ideas written down. Craziest life experience to date. I'm gonna have to say, so I was at work one night. This was in the summer. It was a delivery job, so I was just like waiting for orders to come in and stuff like that. And out of nowhere, the lights just flicker in the restaurant. I'm just like, what? And we look outside, and there's just sparks. This guy totally, completely just ran straight into this telephone pole. And he was relentless. His car was not moving anymore, and this man locked himself in his own vehicle and just kept holding down the gas, and this was just creating more smoke and making it even a bigger scene. You have people like freaking out, trying to get him out, because who knows, you know, if his car could explode or whatever. And he literally wouldn't get out of his car. In the process of going into the telephone pole, he like smashed like the side of this like pretzel like catering van. You had people just like screaming at his door saying, "Get out!" Fucking like hitting his door, like it was insane. There we go. Board's all done. I'll go over everything. We got a 8.5 crooked deck, some indie hollows. I don't know the hardware. It's probably some random hardware. These are Bones wheels. I think they were 53s, but they're probably 52s by now. Reds bearings, just the regular ones. Wish everyone a happy holidays. Catch you guys next time.